So 5 mistakes most new YouTubers are absolutely making. Number one, which is consistency. And for this one, I'm going to give you an example. So Joe becoming, of course, there is nothing on my computer, but I trust my editor. Joe becoming a millionaire. Let's see how consistent he is.
No.
Well, actually, I said I'm going to give you an example. I didn't say it was going to be a good or a bad example. I'm kinda the only YouTuber who will tell you to do as I say, but don't do as I do. Keep watching the video. Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, Joe Becoming a Millionaire, in which I share my journey with you to become financially free. If you are interested in topics such as money, success, books, mindsets, don't forget to subscribe. I post videos from time to time, and by time to time I mean once a year, two times a year, or something like that. And if you like the video, put a like, smash the like button. That will help me speed up the process of becoming a millionaire. That will help me with the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, the YouTube algorithm. Remember, the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm. And if you find the video interesting, or if you want to make fun of me, please share it with a friend and do it together. In today's video, actually, I'm going to talk about 5 mistakes that I see a lot of new YouTubers make. I actually have to make this video short, so let's get to number one. Number one, which is don't make long videos. You are not famous enough that people want to watch a lot of things from you. People don't have like a lot of time, or they trick themselves to say that they don't have lots of time, so they don't want to watch long videos. So just make small videos, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes maximum. Number two, which is being stuck in the debate between quantity versus quality. I have my own philosophy for this one, and remember, don't do as I do, do what I'm going to tell you right now, because if you follow what I do, you will end up with 1 to 2 videos a month maximum. So for me, I believe that consistency is the key. You don't have to focus neither on quantity nor on quality. Just focus on making consistent videos, consistently average videos. What I mean by average is that something that you will enjoy to watch, not something extraordinary, but not also something very, very bad. This one can depend from person to person. For myself, I think I can make 1 video a week, consistently average in quality. Now let's move to number 3. What is number 3? I forgot. Huh? What is number 3? I remember that it was something that can help you speed up recording your videos. You will not. It's something that will help you to like avoid things like what I'm doing right now. Oh yeah, scripts in your videos. You saw what I did there? So scripts in your videos. I think there is no need for me to explain why scripts in your videos will help you, and why not scripting your videos is a big mistake you are making if you are a new YouTuber. So start scripting your videos. Number 4, this one I believe I never saw anyone talking about it on YouTube, which is putting links on your description. If you put links that take people from YouTube to other websites, believe it or not, YouTube will not show your videos to a lot of people. YouTube is a business. YouTube wants people to stay on YouTube. So if you put links, affiliate links, even if you put like social media profiles, your social media profiles to Facebook or Instagram or whatever, YouTube will not like that, and they will not show your videos to a lot of people. So stop putting links in your description. You can put them in your comment section and pin the comments instead, which is the solution I found to this problem or this mistake. And lastly, number 5, which is not promote your videos. When you are just starting, when you just have few hundred followers or subscribers on YouTube, believe it or not, please don't try to beat the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is going to be always against you. So what you should do instead is that you should find your own or unique ways to promote your video. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you find this interesting or you just want to do me some favor, send it to a friend, and also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see like some videos from time to time, yeah, from this person, this one. Subscribe, please. Peace.